So today, I'll show you how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Zombie mode in split screen mode. So all you have to do is launch the game, and once you get to this page, scroll down and find the Black Ops 6 Zombies. Select that, and this will take you to the Zombies homepage. So at this point, on the top right corner, just below your name, you'll see add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So if you have a keyboard and mouse, just connect it to your console and it will be added. Or if you have a controller, just turn it on and then choose the profile you'd like to use. So since I have a controller, power on the controller. Then from here, choose the profile that you'd like to use, or rather that you'd like to add in split screen mode. So find the profile you like, so select it. And then now, just beneath the name or the party name, you'll see player 2, press X to join split screen. So press X on the other controller and that particular player will be added. So keep in mind that for that particular player to be added, they need to have been signed in to their PlayStation Network account. So if they're not signed in, you'll see an error. You must sign into your PlayStation account and you have to sign them into their PlayStation account. So once they have logged into the game, or rather they have been added, so select the mission you'd like to play. So select start mission and then choose the one that you prefer. So let's say directed. And then in this point, ensure that you play in a squad, because if you play solo, that particular player will not be in the game. So select play in a squad and then choose the place that you'd like. And then select ready up, and then the match will begin. So it will start searching for a match. So let's wait for a few minutes and see. And now, as you can see, the match has been found. So now, as you can see, we can now play in split screen mode. So that's basically it on how to play split screen in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Zombies. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find the video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.